You've probably been told by a number of YouTubers that in order to grow on YouTube, you need to master SEO, do good editing, and probably chase viral moments. Now, these tips seem popular and good, right? What if I tell you that they are hurting your channel big time? Now, if you focus on these tips that seem popular, you are missing out on the real things that you need to do in order to level up your YouTube channel and grow it to the next level. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down to you what you need to do instead of focusing on these popular tips. Now, before we proceed, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and that's the only way you can be part of this family. And don't forget to smash that like button if you are feeling the vibe. And to the returning subscribers, you know what we do in this channel. We give YouTube growth tips that will help you put your YouTube channel into a growth path like no any other channel. Now, let's dive straight into it. Now, let's talk about SEO trap. A number of YouTubers or small creators focus too much on SEO. They focus too much on putting the keywords in their titles and video descriptions. Now, SEO is important in making your channel or your videos being discovered initially, but they are holding you back because you are focusing too much on them, and you need to do certain things in order to get the views or get growth that you deserve. Now, what you need to do instead of focusing too much on SEO, let me tell you what you need to do. In as much as the algorithm helps your video to get discovered through the search words and keywords, you need to focus on creating clickable thumbnails and impactful titles that drive curiosity, because YouTube doesn't care about the search words. It cares about how many people click on your videos and how long they watch your videos. So don't get trapped in this SEO thing. Instead, focus on creating impactful titles and thumbnails. The second mistake that a number of small creators usually make is focusing too much on editing. Many creators take long hours editing their videos instead of doing other things that may help grow their YouTube channels. Viewers don't care much about your editing or how perfect you edit your videos. They care about how they connect with you, how authentic you are to them. So instead of focusing too much on long editing and all that, make sure that you focus on connecting with your audience. Just give them the content that they want. Habit number 3 that is really hurting your YouTube channel is focusing on or chasing viral moments. While viral moments can be impactful in the short term, in the long run, they're gonna hurt your YouTube channel. Why? Because these are people that are not always connected to you. They are just in your videos because one of your videos is viral. Instead of focusing on going viral, stick to your authentic audience and give them the value that they want in your videos, and you will see them coming back. Why is going viral or chasing for viral moments harmful to your channel? You will chase for viral moments just for a period of time, and these people that clicked on your viral videos will want to come back to watch other videos that match the same viral energy that you did in your previous videos. And if you don't match that energy, they won't come back. Now just focus on your authentic audience and give them the value in content that they are looking for, and you'll automatically see them coming back to watch more of your videos. Now, if you found this video impactful, you can like it and comment on the habit that you're going to drop today. And don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube growth tips in this channel. You can also hit that notification bell so that any other time that I drop a video, you will be notified by YouTube. See you in the coming video.